Hope you guys are doing well. In this video we are going to discuss that how you can remove a video background in Canva. So let's start. So first of all we have to write Canva here. So before removing a video background we have to download the video. So for downloading a video I'm going on the website which name is Pixels. You have to enter, and now I'm going to select the video here, and now I'm going to search like a man walking, and then press the enter. And as we can see some videos here, download this one. Let's see which one is working properly, and then we are going to use that one. So I'm also going to use this one too. So as you can see I have downloaded two videos. So let's come to the Canva back, and now what we have to do, we have to click here and then import file. After clicking on this, let's come to the download and select the video we downloaded. Let's come back and select this one and press the enter. Okay, now add to template. After adding this template we are going to see this video in our home page. So what we have to do, we have to simply click on the video. So let's wait for few seconds, for few minutes. It depends upon your internet speed. So after this we have to click here, like I'm going to select this option. Our template, our video is added. So click on this, see results. So as you can see, this is the simple and easiest way. So what we have to do, we have to come to the all templates. Now simply I'm going to open a template. You can choose a random any template you want to use. For example, I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on the customize this template. Now what simply I'm going to do, like I'm going to click on the, I'm going to make a new page. So for the new page what we have to do, we have to press Ctrl Enter, and our new page is ready. So now I'm going to the uploads and I'm going to click on upload and then upload this video again. Wait for the few seconds as our video can be uploaded. As you can see the previous video is uploaded, so we can use this one also. Now click on this and then drag it here. Let's increase the video size and then keep it on center. Now what we have to do, we have to click on the option that is edit video. So click on this one. As you can see we have some filters are here. If you want to use these filters you can also use these ones. And in the adjust we have some options like warmth, tint, brightness, contrast. These all options are related like a picture. These are the adjustment options. You can control your brightness, shadow, contrast of your video easily. So let's back to the topic, effects. Now what we have to do, we have to remove the background of the video. Before removing a background, here you can see the filters. If you want to apply a filter on your video, so you can use these filters too. So simply I'm going to click on this option, background remover. Now what you have to do, click on this. After clicking on this you have to wait for some time as video can be proceed. It depends upon your internet how fast it is. So as you can see our video is almost finished and it removed the background. So it's almost 100% done. We have to wait for a few seconds more. So as you can see the background of the video is almost finished and it looks much better than the last one. So I hope you understand this video. So let me tell you that how you can download this video. This is the simple and easiest way. What you have to do, you have to click on the share. After clicking on the share you have to click on the download. Now simply you have to select the MP4 video. Now simply what you have to do, you have to click on the download and your video will be downloaded. So I hope you understand this video. See you in the next video.